Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'll be showing you how to automatically display views and likes into your own YouTube videos title and update it regularly without any errors and problems. Without further ado, let's get started. So first things you need is you need a YouTube channel and you need a video where you're going to update the title. So here I already have one that's public and uploaded, and it's been I had a few problems and errors with this, but I spent my time and I figured it out. So once you've got a video up and running, it could be a draft or doesn't matter, just you need a video. Then just open in YouTube and keep it open. Just make sure you have this bit of the URL. Sorry, let me just pause that video. So in your URL search bar, make sure you have the last bit noted. This is the video ID, a set of numbers and letters. Next step is that you're going to search up Google Scripts, click on the first link, click on Start Scripting, and you should automatically be signed into your Google account. Make sure that Google account is the same one that's associated with your YouTube channel. So if it is associated and it's signed in, click on New Project in Google Scripts website, click on New Project, delete the existing code, and over here we have in the description below of this video I have a piece of code. Copy all of that and paste it into this section here. So once that's pasted, you're going to edit a few things. The first one is the video ID. That video ID is going to be the YouTube video you're going to update the title of. Make sure you own that and you have permissions to change and edit the title. So for this one, I can edit this video because it is my video. In the URL search bar, we're going to copy the last bit of numbers and letters, copy and paste of the video ID. We're going to replace that with your one. And in comments, I also have the video link for reference. Over here in highlights, in highlighted code, there's a bunch of variables where we get the video views and likes and dislikes, comments of the video. Over here in this video, we're going to get the view count, like count, and dislike comments. And over here you can see that we have two video title variables. One is commented and one is uncommented. The uncommented one is the one we're going to be using. So my title is going to be, this video has, for example, 10 views, let's get 1k subs. Let's say you don't want this, you can make sure your cursor or your blinker is on this line, it's blinking right there, and hold Ctrl/, and that's going to comment that. And we're going to uncomment all of these like that. So just highlight all of that and do Ctrl/, and that's going to uncomment them. And in the video title, you can see the new video title is going to be, this video has, let's say, 18 views, 10 likes, 2 dislikes, and 3 comments. And if you do want to edit the title, just make sure you edit the ones that are in string or speech mark, or the one that are red. So once that's done, you can see over here on the try block, it's going to call the YouTube API, and that's going to cost 50 units. And the 50 units, I'll be explaining that later on. So once you've made your changes, click on Save Project. You can see in the bottom left it says Saving Project. While that's saving, over here on Services, click on the Add a Service button. Scroll all the way down until you see YouTube Data API v3. Click on that, make sure it's selected, and click Add. So once that's done, you can see the YouTube service setting is here, and we're going to run this the function. A pop-up will come up saying authorization required. Click on Review Permissions and continue. Make sure you use the account. So let me just go back. This account here is associated with the YouTube channel. Make sure you click on that. That's the important bit. So you're going to click on that, click on Advanced, and click on Go to Untitled Project. So this is your app, so don't worry, Google just hasn't verified it yet. Click on Allow, I don't think Google will ever verify this kind of small project. So once that's done, you should get an email from Google saying that there's a security alert. Make sure it is you that's signed in, and if it is you, then you're fine. So once that's done, execution complete, go into triggers and click on add trigger. And also once you've clicked on run and you've authorized, if you go back to your YouTube video and you give some views and likes, okay, let's just give it a few views. I don't think I can, but let's get them. So we have 80 views, 3 likes and 0 dislikes, 7 comments. So if we remove a like and give a dislike, and over here add trigger for untitled project, we're going to scroll all the way down, and the last 2 drop downs is the most important bits. So over here where it says select type of time-based trigger, we're going to select minutes timer, and for the minute interval we're going to select every 10 minutes. Make sure this is selected. 10 minutes is the earliest interval you can do. Anything lower than 10 minutes is going to give an error saying that your daily YouTube quota is reached. Your YouTube quota per day is 10,000 units, and that's what that 50 units is in the piece of code that you've seen before. So every 10 minutes is the earliest interval. Anything longer than that is fine, but make sure you give your viewers and say that this video's title updates every whatever minutes and hours. So I'm going to put in every 10 minutes. And over here, failure notification settings, we're going to put in notify me immediately and click on save. But I'm not going to click on save because I already have a project that is saved. But once that's done, every 10 minutes it should run the script. Let me just go back to one of my projects I've made here. So in 10 minutes this piece of code should run, and this title over here should turn into this video has 80 views. Let's get 1k subs. So it's not going to become this title anymore. Hopefully this worked for you. If it did, make sure to subscribe, like and share with your friends. If you do get any errors or problems, comment down below and I'll try and help you through your Discord. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Bring me down, pick me up, that's a start. Always poppin', yeah. My body hurts, can't stand. Restart system.